Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, I'm going to take a look at the annoying error message of the Node20 when shutting down your computer. For those of you that are using Elgato Stream Decks or Elgato products in general, or any of them which actually have the volume control. Yep, I've kind of given it away there where the problem lies. So potentially you're seeing a problem when you shut down Windows and it comes up in the screen in the middle saying error Node20 during shutdown. It's quite annoying. It's not really disastrous. The computer still shuts down. It isn't causing any real problems, but for some people it is annoying, and I find it myself. So there's a couple of things we need to do in order to get rid of that. So the first thing we need to do is to open up the Elgato software, the Stream Deck software we've got running here. And if we go into the settings cog and go into plugins, and the one that is causing the problems, it seems, is the volume controller plugin. Now, obviously, if you are using the volume controller plugin on a regular basis, then it's something you're going to have to, unfortunately, live with. You can try removing it and re-adding it. Sometimes that does help, but most people, including myself, have found more benefit of actually just removing it entirely. So click on the minus, and it'll say, "You sure you want to uninstall?" Yes, we do. Wait a few seconds and you should find that disappears. So great, that's disappeared. Now what we need to do is to actually close down the Stream Deck software in its entirety. So go to the icon, right click and choose Quit Stream Deck. And there we go, wait for the icon to disappear, so it's not running at all. Now we need to actually remove the applet itself, otherwise it has a tendency for trying to still run. So what we want to do is go into our local disk drive, go into Program Files, then go into Elgato, then go into Stream Deck, and then go into Distributables. And you'll see, there you go, Elgato Volume Controller still exists. So what we want to do, highlight that, right click on it, and choose Delete. And there you go, that is it removed. So now all you need to do is to restart your computer. You can carry on using your Stream Deck as normal after the reboot. It's just you will have lost access to the volume control side of things when it comes to the Stream Deck itself. Obviously you can still use your keyboard, mouse, headset and control them all manually as you would normally or through external software, but you won't be able to do it via the Elgato software or the Elgato buttons on your Stream Decks. So there you go, hopefully that clears up some problems some of you have been having with that annoying error message, the Node20 error on shutdown. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more content of this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But I think that's going to wrap this up. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch all of you in the next video. Thanks for watching.